How are the children to do? One more again. We are at this Breaking the Color Barrier Conference, and look here, this your time. I done grabbed one big good buddy with me up on Capitol Hill, Alan Spears. Now, some of you who are Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition supporters have seen the initials NPCA over the years, National Parks Conservation Association. Well, this is one of the folks that's behind those initials. So how you doing, Alan?
Doing very well.
Now, what brings you to Breaking the Color Barrier Conference?
No, the answer to that is entrepreneur.
I know that.
When Audrey calls, people respond.
That's right, and respond positively.
Absolutely.
That's the plus. Now with NPCA, what do you do at NPCA?
Right now, I'm working as a legislative representative in our government affairs shop, so I'm helping promote passage of legislation at the Public Land Service Code, getting that new park unit established that we're under Harry Tubman and Maryland.
Okay, and I know for a long time you worked with the Underground Railroad Network of Freedom, you worked with things like Americans for our parks and all kinds of different things over the years. Now I know with everything being new, when there's a new administration, you all always have to start over if you're dealing with legislative issues, so to speak. So do you think right now, do you see something new on the horizon for NPCA, or do you think, well, it's kind of the same thing we've been doing over the years?
Well, the answer to that is yes, on both instances. We've got the old stuff that we're still working to kind of funding the national parks and get that operational funding increase we need in the parks.
Yeah.
We're also working on continuing the diversity front.
Yeah.
So that we get, just like I mentioned, their due representation in the national park system.
Right.
And then we've got some new things coming right now in the Public Land Service Code.
Okay.
So that we're trying to track right now, which would add up to 10,000 new full-time paid service positions in national parks and public lands and help us knock down the maintenance costs.
Okay, so that helps your job. That eases up on you sometimes.
Absolutely.
Because I know part of getting these bills passed, most times they get appropriation.
That's right.
You get the legislation, but then you have to get the appropriation. Now, you and I have dealt with this before, because many times people say, well, you already got the law. But then they don't understand, but the law just says in writing it's supposed to do this, but there's another whole process.
You're absolutely right.
Right.
It's a little bit like somebody telling you that you can go to Fiji if you want to.
Right.
I'm not going to pay for it. I'm not going to make sure you have the leave to go from your boss, but you can go.
But you can go. Right.
So then, now that we have the permission to go to Fiji, we have the money to go.
Exactly. And so that's what appropriation is all about.
That's right.
So I know you always have a lot of hard work to do. So I guess really being at a conference like this, it's kind of a time to relax just a little bit for you, right?
I think you and I are both working hard.
Yes, all the time. All the time.
And I've got the BlackBerry here.
And mine is over there under the table.
So we're not out of pocket.
Right.
It's almost feels like a homecoming.
That's good.
Last night, I think when you were at ceremony and did a wonderful job with that, it was really like and many of us, I think maybe the first time I met you was with these interviews.
It has to be at least 10 years. There's a decade for sure.
And so now we have this wonderful critical mass of people come together at this conference.
Yeah.
It started with those education conferences, the National Parks Conservation Association, and now I feel like we are tantalizingly close.
I'm with you, and I love the word you said, tantalizingly close. Because once we tantalize people, they usually go, well, wait, I want more of that, I want more of that. And that's what we definitely want. We want more people to help you and I. Then maybe we can turn the BlackBerries off and really go outdoors and enjoy it, right? And so they help us get this stuff done. And anytime you think there's something that you can't do, it's not true. Because even when we talk about legislation, appropriation, it requires you. You're the voters, you're the constituents. You say to your person who's elected, we want this support. We want this kind of work to continue to go on. And we definitely want the color barriers broken down, dismantled, destroyed, so that we truly have that mosaic that NPCA started so long ago. So we thank you for continuing that work. And it looks like they're tantalizingly close to eating up all the food. So we're going to go over here for a little while, but we thank for the children. Thank you, Brother Allen, for all your work. Keep it going for sure. And we'll get to DC and turn off the BlackBerries and go hide somewhere. I'm sure we can find another hill outside of Capitol Hill. Yes, all right. Peace and blessings for the children. We coming back with more to Break the Color Barrier Conference. Right, y'all. This year, the one going on.